In this video, I will show how to create a private page in your WordPress website. So very simple and basic way, guys, to create a private page. Click on New, Post or Page. Select anyone. Add title and your content. Now here, guys, to make this post or page as private, here is you will see option visibility. Post is selected. In case block is selected, so here select post. If you not see this panel, so click on settings. Now you will see this panel. Here you will see visibility, it's public. Click here. Now you can select private. Would you like to privately publish this post? Now click on OK. Only visible to site admins and editors. No another one can access this post once you make it public. Like this. Click on update and again click on update. Now try to visit this post. So you will see this post is private. If you are adding, you are admin, so you can access this post, but another one not able to access this post. Now I will try to visit this post in another page. So people will get this 404 error and they will see this warning. The page could not be found. Maybe try a search. So this way, guys, you can make a private post or page in WordPress website. Thanks for watching.